already know what time it is, baby. It's Reflex Football, Season 13, Week 5, Game 4. I got the Grinderz. I got the Pack. All right. Grinderz is the home team, so Pack gonna call it in the air.
Out.
And it is tails.
Defer to the second half.
All right. Grinderz has elected to defer to the second half. Pack, what would you like to do? See?
Go that way.
Yeah. Go that way? All right. So if y'all can switch sides for me.
We ain't dapping up again, too. Straight. You done did like that all before the game. Just now.
Grinderz have elected. The Grinderz have won the toss. They've elected to defer to the second half. Pack will receive. On this way.
Let's do it.
That's right.
Hey, let's rock out, man.
Y'all know what time it is. GB20.
Offense first. Good arm, go, boy. Yes, sir.
Here's first down to the 30 for Pack. Looking to go deep downfield. Off with Hart! On the first play, major gains for the Pack. I don't know, many teams are feeling a little different today with the... Number 2, side, where is it going to go? That's going to be second down right there for the Pack. Here's the snaps. Throw for right side.
Hey, good rush. This side. Watch the corner route.
There's the snap. Goes to the left side.
Hey, throw that, Drake.
Good ball. Yeah. I told you I got you.
That's going to be filthy.
Drake, throw that, bro.
Throw that.
Here's Griffin Day.
Go for it.
Get your ass out here. I'm seeing off right now. Rest up, King.
Here's the snap. Oh. Out to the left side. He's pulled. He's going to pick up the first down, though. That is a Grinderz first down into the 50-yard line. There's a snap. It's going to be second down into the 30-yard line for Grinderz. He's going to pick up the first down. It'll be first and goal for Grinderz. There's a snap. There's to his left. Which is the D-line. There's a snap.
Yes, sir.
Fuck out of here, nigga. Come on, Swin. That's on the one. Come on, Swin. That's on the one. We good.
Touch back. Touch back. We good.
Good D, y'all. Good D. Got it. Good. Good. We on the one?
Nah, he stepped right before.
Come on, Warren.
Hey, run! Don't put one hand out, run!
Go get over there. Grab the ball, man. Got it. Hey, what's up, man? The ball. Open for the ball. Open for the ball.
Lead. There's the snap. That's going to be incomplete. There's a snap. There's about to the outside. There's a snap. There's to his right side, has a little time, throws across his body. That's going to be called.
Hey, Five.
Hey! Outside.
Make the pull.
Is this fucking holding too?
What? This a holding. Let's go. Outside. Yeah, there you go.
It's going to be good. That'll be first and goal for the Pack.
Go ahead, Miles. Go up, Miles. Pull. Hey, good pull, eh?
Hey, come down.
Hey, y'all, come down. We only got 7 to go.
Hey, come down. Walk down.
Oh, hold right. Yeah. Yes, sir. And then the other nigga trying to come with his arm. You can't come with your arm crossed. I'm right. Yeah. Cover zero. Nobody got you, Sharon. Cover zero. There we go. Here we go. Hey, out of bounds.
Play, Mark. Nigga, I said I can't see.
We can't see the ball.
Stay on the ball.
Somebody trying.
Keep going. Keep going.
Go, 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 go.
Hey, go.
Stay on the center, somebody.
Go.
Hey!
Somebody stay with center.
Keep going. Keep going. Come on, keep going. Keep going.
That was definitely bad. Super bad. He threw the shit forward, bro.
Pull a flag, Peanut.
52 seconds remains. 52 seconds remains in the first half. We stay tied at 0 apiece.
Go now, Mal. Go now.
Stay with PJ.
Somebody stay with center.
Watch PJ.
You gotta stay with it. Go now, Mal. Get out, Q.
Watch out. Right, get middle.
Come on, man.
Fuck no! Fuck no! How you fucking?
Wait, what are we doing, bro?
That's why I think he getting worse, bro.
This way, let's go. Keep coming, outside.
What are we doing?
Hey, fly around, eh? You want to run, though.
If you get it back in for the pack, there's the snap. Goes off to his right side. There's across his body. That's going to be incomplete.
Push up.
Hey, the time, watch the ball.
There's the snap. Goes off to his left side. Trying to beat them. Looks at the first down.
Hey, go. Get on the ball.
Hey.
Don't let him push you outside. Slow, man. Get to him, Thor. Don't even wait. Get to him.
8 seconds remains. There's the snap.
Oh!
There's it. Incomplete.
Hey, somebody got to get Q. Right now. Hey, bring that one in. Hey, right now. Hey. Yeah, you good. Hey, get 7. You got 7.
Everybody, why not? What's that everybody?
Back up.
Outside on 11.
Back up!
Outside on 11.
Oh!
Outside on 11.
What's that?
That is offside.
No, it's not.
Call it.
No, it's not.
Back up.
Oh, that's a tackle.
No, hey, bro. Hey, man, that's a tackle. Yo, inconsistent as fuck, bro.
Yes, that's not your fault.
No, I'm saying if you line up with a receiver, if you line up with a receiver, is that not on the line? That's on the line.
Bro, I thought it literally, if the spot here, if your foot past that, then that's.
Say it. Say it.
Janky.
If I'm lined up off sides, right? And the lineman is moving at the height of the ball, shouldn't that be an offset penalty?
Janky.
Most voted to Brad. I'm going to die for the 2 favorite title. Every year.
We're about a touchdown right now. They just selected a punt. I don't know what they're trying to argue right now, but hey, we get a touchdown right here, man. Seal the dub, man. You know what it is, man. Grinderz on top, baby.
We're asking for.
And you know we love the camera.
And I want my ones after the game. On top of your suspension. On top of your fine.
Come on, man. I don't look good in this weight right now. I'm
How much time we got on the clock?
Gotta lose some weight.
59 seconds.
Worm. Hey, we're gonna kill Naj.
The pack is back to receive.
Timeout.
Come on, man. All right here.
45 seconds.
You fucking hit me, bro.
Let's go.
I'm good.
Breathe hard, nigga.
That's the first time I breathe all day. I ain't ran hard all day.
Hey, look, get this shit toe. Show what we doing.
He stopped moving. He was in the position.
Told you what's happening.
What's that? What's that? 11? 6 seconds.
You already know what it is. 3 years in a row beating the pack, regular season. One of the best games in RFB. You already know we always bring it right. Shout out to Fondue for the league, always, my boy.
And here's the play with 6 seconds remaining. Launching it downfield because they have no other choice. And that is going to be ball game. Grinderz coming away with the win.
Yeah. What?
Boring ass game.
Another boring ass game.
It's another boring ass game. They want to send me a screen, then they want to tell me a one fade ball. They say I can't get no other targets, bro. I can't get no other targets, bro.
You know what they did? Hey, they took our quarterback out. You know what I mean? Hey, smart though. It's smart.
Hey, they keep saying who gonna beat us? Oh, it's Pack, it's Jack Boy, it's Shinobi, it's this, but hey, I keep telling y'all, it's our world, man. It's our league, it's the Grinderz league. Y'all just living in it, man.
Hold on, chill. Hold on.
Y'all just paying y'all dues.
Hold on. You know, for a rivalry, you really have to go back and forth. Last time I checked, I don't think we ever lost to Pack. But Grinderz by 20. See y'all next week.
Enter the Lions, then.